again, we have come to the final episode of the Summertime Blues. In this video, we'll be talking about the chords that are used in blues music, and in particular, what is known as the 12-bar blues. You will need your 12-bar blues chord sheet. Let's get started. First of all, let's talk about what a chord is on the piano. A chord is where we play 3 notes at the same time. For example, this chord is called C major. The reason why it has that name is because we build the chord from the note C. And the chord sounds happy, so we call it major. You might have noticed that a pattern appears when we play this chord, with these white note gaps in between the notes. I'm using my left hand to play the chords with fingers number 5, 3, and 1. Later on, I can play my made-up melodies with my right hand. Now that we know how to play the C major chord, we could also try the F major and the G major chords. They use exactly the same shape as the C major chord, but starting on the note F and G. So here's F major, starting on the note F, and here's G major, starting on the note G. We now know how to play all of the chords in the 12-bar blues, but do we know when to play them? This is where you'll need your 12-bar blues sheet and a pen. Pause the video now if you need to grab these. So I have a challenge for you. Can you write down the chords on your 12-bar blues sheet as I play them, paying close attention to the bottom note of each one, as that will give us the name of the chord. Some of the chords have already been filled in on your sheet, so make sure to only add these chords that fall in the blank spaces. Here we go. Okay, let's check the answers. You should have the following chords. Now that we know what order to play them in, we could have a go at playing all of the chords one after the other. You may have noticed that we play 12 chords all together, and this is why we call this style of music the 12-bar blues. Count 4 beats for each chord as you play through them. Let me play the bottom line of the 12-bar blues as an example. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally, we can have a go at putting our inventive melodies to the 12-bar blues chords. If you choose 6 melodies, these will fit into our 12-bar blues pattern. So I'm going to choose the following 6 melodies. No More School, Summer Fun Has Begun, Dig in the Sand, I Love Swimming, Bubblegum Ice Cream, and Warm Summer Evening. Play a melody every 2 chords on the piano, a bit like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.